The images in this file are way too large and can be reduced in size without losing very much quality. To reduce the file size, I'll simply go to File, Reduce File Size, and change the resolution here. I'll resave the document with a new name, just in case I don't like my results. You'll see that my file is now 788 kilobytes as opposed to 20 meg. And my pictures don't seem to have lost any image quality as far as I can see. If your file is a PDF, you can also reduce the file size here if you have Acrobat Pro. In Acrobat Pro, I would simply go to File, Save as Other, Optimize PDF. If I did an audit on my space usage, I can quickly see that the images are taking up most of the file size here. So I'll reduce the image quality down to 72 dpi, click OK, and save this on my desktop. This file is only 119K now, and if I didn't like the results, I could always bump up the quality of my images and save it again. You can quickly optimize the images in your PowerPoint file by going to File, Compress Pictures. I'm going to select On-Screen 150, and this will optimize my images to display best on the screen. This gives me a new PowerPoint file that's less than 1 meg compared to my original PowerPoint file that's 9.5 meg. And visually, there's no noticeable difference in the quality. Large video files are best stored on a system like Box or YouTube. Here we have unlimited storage. I simply get the link to my movie and share it in my Canvas course. Now I'll simply add that link in my Canvas course. And it's best to select Open in a new tab. Let's take a look at some of the advantages of using Box. Here in this course, I've linked to an entire folder. This folder has pictures in it, and this other folder contains articles. The student can simply click on the link to my folder and see all the pictures in the folder, of which they could download and view. And here's a link to a Box folder that contains several articles. And the same is true for this. Let's take a look at how simple it is for me to update these folders. Here's my folder with my articles. Anytime I want, I can select an article to remove it. And I can upload articles by simply dragging and dropping to this folder. So I have some more articles I want to share for this semester. I simply drag and drop them into this folder. And I don't need to update anything in my Canvas course. Students going back into the article folder and do an authentication, and all these files have been updated automatically. This would work very well if I wanted to add a whole bunch of videos, articles, or pictures into one folder and just share the folder. Let's take a look at how easy it is to add a link to a folder so you can do this. I've added a page called Images and Articles. Here are my links to my folders in Box. This is all I had to do to link to my folder. In my Box account, I simply find the folder I want to link to and select Choose.